Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Kendall Jenner oozed confidence while hitting the streets of Beverly Hills following her split from boyfriend Devin Booker last month. The Kardashian star arrived with some friends for the workout, which was followed up by a pit stop to get a refreshing smoothie. The afternoon outing among friends comes amid chatter that Jenner may be rekindling her relationship with Harry Styles, who also recently became single in the wake of his split from Olivia Wilde. Jenner was first spotted hurrying up to make it on time to the hot yoga class with her gal pals. Later, Jenner was still going with the sporty look in black leggings and a matching sweatshirt, which she covered up with an oversized brown leather jacket. In recent days, there's been talk that the world's top model has been chatting it up with Styles, whom she dated on and off from 2013 to 2019. She recently attended one of his many Love on Tour shows in Los Angeles with sister Kylie Jenner and gal pal Hailey Bieber, according to Yahoo Entertainment. Her breakup with Booker, an NBA star with the Phoenix Suns, was attributed to their busy schedules and bad timings. Kendall started dating Devin in 2020. The couple took a road trip to Sedona, Arizona later that year. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.